Hi students, it's Professor Kelly. I'm here in my office. I want to provide you with, I'm going to try to keep it at 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can stop watching. How's that? I want to provide you with just a brief introduction to our library's research capabilities, because you do need research for paper number 3. I hope you're excited about paper number 3. If you're a little bit confused, that's fine. I gave you the prompt, but I haven't provided you with any exercises yet on what to do or how to interpret the prompt, how to understand it. But I hope by now you realize that you have to pick a film and you have to analyze it. So you're not going to summarize the film. You're not going to necessarily critique it. I don't need to know whether or not you liked the film. You're going to analyze it in the same way that you might analyze a book or a poem or a collection of poems. I will say that a lot of students enjoy this paper because they tend to pick a film that they like. It's always more fun to write about something that you like and feel passionate about. So don't pick a film that you think I'm going to like. Pick a film that you like, and that hopefully a film that made you think. So again, I'm going to leave it at that for now. And I'm gonna let you go with the research this weekend, and I'm gonna trust your selections. But I want to just give you a few examples. So let's say I'm a student in my class, and I want to write a paper about the film Get Out by Jordan Peele. What kind of research might I need for a paper like that? Well, I know I haven't asked you to do this yet, but you're going to have to narrow down your ideas about the film of your choice. So in this case, it's the film Get Out. Hopefully you've seen it or are familiar with it, and you know that when people watched the film, it really started a lot of conversations about race and racism in America. And so my analysis is going to focus on that. That's what I'm choosing to write about. So here I am at our library's webpage. I want to see what other people have said about the film, and I want to see if anyone else has an analysis like that. And I'm pretty sure they do. So a good place for you to start is here at Articles and Databases. And I'm giving you ideas of where you can go here. And also keep in mind, you can always reach out to a librarian. There's a link on our Canvas page off to the left in the universal dashboard or the toolbar to the left that says Ask a Librarian. So you can always ask a librarian for help with your research. But a good place for you to start is Academic Search Complete. Oops, sorry about that. And I'm just going to click Go. And I'm going to type in Get Out, Jordan Peele. I'm going to click Search. I have 2 minutes left before you guys stop watching. And as you can see here, I've ended up with 87 results. So what I'm going to do is limit those results to full text, because I don't want anything that's not full text that's just going to give me the abstract or the summary. And so now my results have been narrowed to 64. And so after that, and again, I'm not going to record myself doing this, I'm going to go through and read what other people had to say about the film Get Out. And I'm going to see if any of this research can help me support my analysis, and I want to see if I can include it in my paper. Let's practice with one more film before I stop myself. I'm going to type in The Little Mermaid. It's the Disney film. And I'm going to type in the word feminist because I've thought about this before, and I want to see if other writers have written an analysis about The Little Mermaid and feminism and gender, and it turns out they have. And so I only got 2 results for this one, but it looks like the second result says The Little Mermaid not as sexist as you thought it was. And so I might click on that and read it and see if that's something that might be useful for my paper. So again, over the weekend, all you have to do is play with the library's databases, pick a film, do a little bit of research on your own, and give it a try, because next week you are going to have research that you need and ideas for your analysis. So I hope this tutorial was easy and quick and clear. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening.